Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device alone. So this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your Play Store and then download this special application, which is the Screenshot Touch. So you can see this application over here. Now once you search for Screenshot Touch, you can see this application over here, Screenshot Touch. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. You can see this application has more than 10 million plus download. Now just go ahead and then install this application. Now once you have installed this application, go ahead and then open this special application over here. You can see it over here, Screenshot Touch. Just open this application, and once you open this application over here, you have to allow all the permissions over here. And once you allow this permission, you can see Start Capture Monitoring Service. So just click on this Start Capture Monitoring Service and you can see Start Now. Now once you click on Start Now, you can see this camera sign over here. You can see the camera over here. If you can't see it, then it's because of the screen recorder that I'm using. So once you click on Start Capture Monitoring Service, you can see this camera option over here. So anytime that you want to capture anything on WhatsApp, just click on this camera to recover all your WhatsApp View Once photos. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new